You know if you worry about nothing, you're my wife, you're my VIP. Girl, if you know by now, say you have my heartstring. Are you for bring me joy, you for bring all me offspring, yeah. Girl, you know some love you. Whoa. I don't mean to be bad. Girl, you know some love you. I never mean to make you mad.
Hi guys. I feel like now when I vlog, like it's only during one time and one time only. Can you guys tell where I'm at? It's that time again. Yes, because listen, I don't know how people are in long distance relationship. Well, I mean, I get it because like it's expensive, it's an expense. But me as a girl, when me in a smarty, like me need me have to in a smarty like all the time, you understand? So these days, weeks, months, years that are passing us by, like a big ain't got time for that. Like I am going to see my husband. Talk to me nice. May I go look for the people, man. I am people, people are me. Okay, in case anybody needed any clarification, yeah. But yeah, I am going to Jamaica, you guys. Jamaica vlogs. Yeah. So I'm leaving. First of all, let me shout out shop. Let me not say it wrong. I believe it's shop 2712 for my name chain. It's this company that's located here in Toronto. I believe she ships worldwide, but it's this online jewelry based store. She asked me what I wanted from her store, and I really wanted back one of my name chains, and I loved it. You know, Bay refers to me as Empress, so I thought a crown was fitting. So holla at your girl. I'm super excited. Like I'm nervous. Like I have like from yesterday, like knowing that today was like tomorrow, like I just had like this feeling in my gut, like, or is it my gut or my belly? I don't know, but it's like it was just like this feeling, like I just was like, oh, like every time, you know what I'm saying? Because like it's time, like, oh my god, like I'm gonna see my baby. I'm so freaking excited. I miss him so much. Back to what I was saying, I don't know how people do like long distance relationships and go like months, years without seeing one another. Not this girl. So I got here really early. My flight doesn't leave until about 9 o'clock. It's a little bit after 6. Yeah, it's 6:11. Boarding doesn't start until 8:40. So yeah, I got a lot of time. I'm going to actually public a video. Well, not public, but schedule a video to go up. It's the haul for this trip. And yeah, so by the time you guys watch these vlogs, I hope you guys checked out the video. If not, go check out that video first and then come back over here and finish. But yeah, this is the start to another vacation. And if you watched the haul, then you would recognize this dress. It's making me look and feel a lot fatter right now because I'm sitting down. But yes, here we are, ready to go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. But yeah, I'm not gonna chat anymore to you guys. Just wanted to come on here and start off, you know, as per usual, and let you guys know what's going on. So see you guys when I see you guys, whether it's still being foreign or overseas. That's the man's body.
Gas. I drive Banana Fata.
So can it take us to OG? So then when we get to OG, we just...
I'm going on the road.
Guys, I'm in Jamaica. Okay? Hello. Babe, say hi. They didn't hear you.
Alright.
No, they didn't hear you. Anyways, you guys. Yeah. A lot happened just now. A lot happened just now at the airport. I was in for a little surprise. You know?
Next bar heads. I still not getting a bar.
What? I don't need anything else. Contents. Anyways, yeah. If there's anything you guys want to ask, the answer is yes. So just leave it there. So people make comments before. When they, I don't really want to say too much because I'm gonna be so privacy with this. So, but yeah. What? because I'm saying it, but I'm not saying it. I put my chip in too. So yeah, this is a good start to my trip, but it's Bay's birthday weekend. Yeah, so that was the main reason for this trip, to come and see the people in man.
So let's go to Bangkok and say to them.
Let's go shop, yes. Yeah,
To come and
wait, you gotta watch.
come and see the people in man. Yeah, for their birthday. I am people and people are me. We got Andre.
I am people.
I am people and people are me. So therefore, I am people man. I mean, the people man is... You understand what I mean, right? Yeah, alright. So, we're driving home now. I flew to Montego Bay because it was cheaper. This guy was like he could handle the ride to only mash up the car on the way.
Fucking liars.
Anyways, we got Andre in the back.
Trouble is dead.
Trouble is dead here.
Glad to see my sister.
Don't you? Yes. Oh my gosh. Finally.
Finally.
So yes, you want to say hi to anyone?
Hi to the world.
Hi, Sammy.
Yes. She knows the root of the grass. She doesn't know the root of the grass. Right.
Hi, Sammy. Hey, I like making everybody be friends, you know? So Yo, this trip just started off. I mean, there's a little issues and stuff, but apart from that, like, it's gonna be a really good trip. I'm excited.
Issues not there.
The car. It's still an issue.
Yeah.
So, yes. Oh my god, I don't know. Like, I'm super happy right now. You know? So, yeah. But anyways, we're going to Ochi. We have something to do. We have some business to take care of. Yeah, me and the people, man.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're going to go do that and then go home, right? I need to go to the supermarket. I forgot my deodorant. I realized. Who you? But you gave me one last time. Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah, I'll get you a man who has stuff put down at his house waiting for you the next time you arrive, okay? Excuse me? Pay attention to the road, please and thank you. But yeah, I'll link you guys. Well, no, I won't really link you guys when we get to OG because I can't let you in on that business just yet. Stay tuned. You didn't even tell me. Did you like my hair?
No,
I didn't.
I give you my one for below for long, brother.
The people them told me that
purple, man, real purple.
I came into their life and I changed how they view certain things.
Life and love and general. I was on a phone out one at a time.
Oh, is
Not so bad.
that a piece of black video that's
Yes.
Okay.
Not so bad.
And, you know, they asked me if I'm going to be here forever.
You don't want. Oh my god. That's time they want it up by next.
No.
So the amount of people that do that, you know, they have a drop down this, man. I tell you.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm everything, you know.
And I miss every straw the thing. Mr. So just I did myself, come work with it, man. Like, what you want, what you want.
He didn't remember.
That, me to remember it because I want to come out of the sun. I want to come out of the sun. I want to come out of the sun.
He didn't remember.
Ah, yeah, if you focus on one, oh yeah, don't forget.
Better, do not mention the word focus, please. Do not use the word focus.
One script.
One.
I told my drive come from another drive going back, you know.
I'm afraid, man. Nobody use the word focus. Let's use the next word.
I wish somebody else was in this car with me.
Yeah.
God, no. Like who? Trouble.
That's it.
Trouble is there. Babe. Babe. What do you mean what? Who you answering like that? Alright. No problem. Just keep the same energy. No, keep that same energy for the remainder of this time. I don't want anything, I'm good. Anyways guys, I'll be back later. Yeah, at another time.
Run red light. Broke your stuff.
In Jamaica, guys, this is the start to Jamaica vlogs. I wish it got recorded. Wow. First meal of my trip. They actually got something right. Tasty? Tasty? No, actually juicy.
Juicy have more meat for 2.
No, Juicy's cheese patties are. I never used to like Juicy before.
Juicy beef for more meat.
But it's so good. Not gonna lie, it's so good.
Just beat them with a crust.
Yeah, Tasty's will always be my favorite, but.
Look at that compound, it says pass container, clear container. Grab it. That's it, no more.
Patty and cocoa bread, yeah? Cheers, yeah?
Reading now is ID lightly. No, this is mama way, man. This is mama. Assist me. Pass it.
Piece of hair, yeah.
No, man. Them can't kill me.
2 in there.
Yeah, but if eyeglass them,
1.
eyeglass alone, eyeglass when respect. Man, see Skull City, walk one place, Skull City better. New money, man, new money, new. Tell them a new money, new money, oh yeah, new money. iPhone is closest.
LG.
New money, new.
My phone.
The master man.
Oh, yeah, winning.
Me want billion, want collect. You know say me I like I. Be a pretty girl in I drive.
How much power I take when you return all of that?
Clean to the one.
Yeah, done.
Louis, Vuitton, fresh from where? Louis, Vuitton, the gun from where? See your lens and watch that smile.
Chop it up, laugh and joke. Go through tribulation, but we never lose hope. No, in your life, it up to you to make the most. Find your happiness and live it up like you're supposed. We that the remedy, give me another dose. Another dose. Me no know what some man that smoke, but big man think me ever I have a ganja smoke, you try give me
First drink. When I can't see it yet, June come back to my eyes. Oh, the lighting is gone. Anyways, we haven't reached our destination yet.
How long do man do this now? You know the man road. I know the man wants something, so I start to call it.
Excuse me.
soda good for you. The hungry soda was good for you. But I can't live from this. Get it?
Yeah.
Are you cause that?
Mm-hmm. I remember when my car got lit because of how it hit. It's like in the air. So it's always gonna click. Yeah. Because it's touching now. See like how it's in? Right here.
Yeah, that we are going to right. See when I
Them can't style me, move on side me. Me no want for murk, no so best no avoid me. Notice I'm calm on me, addressing in a kindly. Oh la la, anyway, aye. Enough of them say them with the thing. And them up behind your back for try clip your wing, know that. I posted them from them this the lane, couldn't see it.
Guys, look what my husband bought for me. He bought me a bag of apples. Oh, you're not fully naked, okay? He bought me a bag of apples. Oh my gosh, he's so extra. So we're home. I just bathed. Have on my husband's shirt. So it's been that I'll not have husband who can wear them shirts. I'm bad.
Yes, all who can what?
All who can wear them husband shirts are bad. Talk to me nice. But yeah. So you have to go back on the road.
No, we're not gonna look. What? Now the tough for this, you know. I think me just need to go look for.
Yeah, I just showered. He's gonna cook. When? I don't know. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm hungry. You guys, this is my number one. No, this is number 2. Favorite fruit. You know what I want to do before I leave? I want to go to that juice lady that you go to.
Look, hurry up to everything.
Be back later, guys, okay? Have a good night.
Oh, yeah. That's simply L. Yeah.
Hi.
Like him up, man. He's not going to sleep. You don't want that now.
Shut up. Base cooking. Brown stew chicken. Yes, and I'm going to bed.
Left the food. That makes sense. And are you hungry?
And he's on video call.
That makes sense. And are you hungry?
I'm tired too, babe.
Never die. You have to bring them out here.